Hey there guys, it's Kurt here. Figure I'd give you a little brief review of my little Chinese top handle saw that I got off of eBay a year or two ago. I think I paid about 95 bucks for it or something, shipped to my door. I'm going to do a cold startup, show you how it runs, and I'm going to take care of some of these little trees. I'm going to build me a little natural spring area here. I got a natural spring over here, but it's been a while since it's been cleared out. It's got a couple of scrubs coming up on it, and get some of this stuff out of here so we can hopefully put a little picnic table down here and enjoy it. So here we go. So I just finished up. Took about 5 minutes. Once this thing gets warmed up, it's pretty good. The chain comes to it from China, sharp. It's real sharp, and it actually holds a pretty good edge. I've been impressed with this chain. I'll give you a cold start, or I'm sorry, a warm start after I run it. Show you how it starts. First time when I was cranking it up, this switch, I had it down, so that turns it off, so that's why it wouldn't start the first time when it was cold. But typically it's pretty quick, pretty quick saw to start up. 2-3 pulls and she goes. But here's a hot start.